Hi everyone, let's see how to download and install Google Chrome browser on Windows 11 computer. Well friends, Windows 11 comes with Microsoft Edge browser. We are going to use Microsoft Edge browser to download and install Google Chrome. Here you can see Start menu, click on it, and here you can search for Microsoft Edge. I'm going to type EDGE Edge, and here you can see Microsoft Edge. Click on it. Okay, here we have Microsoft Edge browser, and to download and install Google Chrome, here on the address bar type Google Chrome. Hit enter. Here we can see the official website of Google Chrome. Here you can see Google Chrome. Just click on this link and it will bring you here. You will see this big download Chrome button. Just click on it and it will start downloading, and download is complete. Here you can see Chrome setup.exe file. Just click on it and it will start installing. I'm going to click on run. Click yes. It's installing. I'm going to minimize Microsoft Edge browser. Well friends, sign into Chrome. That means we could successfully download and install Google Chrome browser.